Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to be installing a front splitter or front lip on the Tesla Model Y. For this splitter, I got it off of eBay, and sadly enough, there's not a lot of front splitters or front lip for the Model Y that I actually like compared to the Model 3. And this was so far the closest one that's affordable and that actually looks decent enough to actually be on the car, in my personal opinion. There's a lot others that a lot of people can consider looks better or not, but the ones that I actually want, there are 2 or 3 front lips that I really want, but they are worth over 1K, and I don't think front splitters are worth that much at that point. Even though it's carbon fiber, I still don't think it's worth 1K for a front splitter. So the process is that obviously you put the splitter together. Depending on how many pieces you have, you put it all together first, and then you do a test fit. And then right after the test fit, if you like how it sits or you need to make minor adjustments or whatnot, do what you need to do in the test fitting stage. And then after that, clean the surface, both the bumper and the splitter, right? And then after that, once the splitter is clean and then the surface of the bumper is cleaned as well, depending if the splitter does come with double-sided tape, you might need to get some, and sometimes the double-sided tape that comes with the splitter isn't as strong as the one that you get at Home Depot or Walmart, because the 3M tape that they have is not as strong as the 3M tape that you get in stores. So take into consideration about that. The next step would be obviously putting the lip on, and this is where you guys have to take your time, because there's gonna be a lot of double-sided tape, and it's not just small pieces like the duck bill. This is actually a very big piece, so take your time and make sure you guys line it up correctly, because yes, you guys can mess up here and there, and like you guys can restart where you guys want, but like the moment you put a lot of pressure on that 3M tape and then you start putting screws in, there's no backtracking at that point. Alrighty, the splitter is finally on, and the way how it looks, I somewhat like it, but at the same time, it's like, it's not the best splitter that I was going for, but it's better than something than the $1,000 splitter and like the other splitters that they have to offer. Again, like I guess if you guys do the research on what other splitters there are, some of them are not intriguing, so by far this one is the best one in my personal opinion, and this sits pretty okay. Again, not perfect, and it's very secure with the amount of screws that I put in and the area of screws I drilled into. So take into consideration, because there's going to be a lot of air that's going to be hitting that splitter, so it's going to flop, so make sure it's secured and stick to the bumper properly. So yeah, if anything, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any other questions, feel free to DM me or comment in the section below, and I'll put the link of this splitter or front lip in the description. So peace out.